Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our blower motor. This is going to be located right underneath the glove box, underneath the passenger side here. The first thing that we're going to do is come right over to the electrical connector. Let's go ahead and carefully pull that off of there. I'm just going to pull down on this tab. We'll grab onto the wiring, pull it right off of there, and you always want to inspect your electrical connectors. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion and it needs to be dealt with. This one looks fine, so I'll go ahead and set it aside. Now, once the wiring's disconnected, we're going to come right over to this area right here. And no, it's not part of the blower motor, but it is actually in the way of removing the blower motor. So to remove this, we're going to come right up behind it here, and we're going to remove the 8mm headed bolt that holds this in place. Now we can let this hang down and we can continue. Now let's move towards the front of the blower motor here, closest to us. I'm going to go ahead and remove this bolt so this wiring can come down. Now it's time to unbolt the blower motor from the box. We're going to come right over here and we can find another 8mm headed bolt. Let's go ahead and remove that. Follow it around. There's one closest to us here. And then there's going to be another one all the way over towards the passenger side. Now we can start breaking this free. Carefully pull it down and out of here, being very careful for this area back there. There it is, friends. All right, now it's going to be time to get ready to install our brand new blower motor. Let's go ahead and take that gasket. We're going to put it in position. What you'll notice on the blower motor gasket is that it has two holes in one area. Those need to line up with the area on the blower motor that has two holes as well. Let's go ahead and get that in place. And now we can carefully start putting this up and underneath the dash here. Rotate it into position. I'm just going to get it lined up. We can start in all of our mounting bolts and snug them up. All right, I've got them all started. Let's go ahead and snug them up. Now that that's secured, let's go ahead and put in our wiring harness. Press this in. Listen for that click. Give it a wiggle. Now we're going to make our way over here. We'll go ahead and put in our mounting bolt to hold up our wires. Now it's time to remount this area here. Let's go ahead and grab onto our bolt. I'm going to go ahead and put it right on through this. And now we're going to go ahead and put it into its mounting point, which is located right here. Start that in by hand. Snug it up. Make sure that's secure. Now that we have this all back together, you're just going to want to put the key in the on position. Try your blower motor on all speeds.